Hey everyone, welcome back to the DIY Homestead Projects channel. My name's Bruce. Today I want to talk about some welding products. And as a hobbyist welder, I'm always looking for affordable products that I can use to help me with my welding projects. I was contacted by a company named Fox Alloy. It's a new company and they're selling their products on Amazon. They're starting a website as well. I think they're still working on their website, but you could check it out if you'd like. I'll put the link in the description along with the links to all these products. Fox Alloy is not paying me for this video or this review, but they have sent me these products to review and test. They've got welding hoods, all types of welding wire. This is ER70 S6 wire in a 2-pound roll. Gloves. They seem to be pretty well built. I've done a little bit of MIG welding with them. They don't give you a lot of dexterity because they're so thick, but they look like they're genuine leather and they're very padded and insulated from heat. So if you're into that type of glove, these are pretty heavy duty. Pretty much cover almost my entire forearm when I've got them on. They will protect your hands from the heat though. So if you're looking for a decent set of welding gloves, this welding hood is what I really want to talk about in this video because I'm actually pretty excited about it. As far as I could tell, they have a couple of different models. One with a small viewing window and then one with a large. This is the large viewing window. Some things that I really do like about it is it has true color on the welding screen, so you're not getting that green tint to your welds and to the arc. It has a control knob on the outside that has a grind position. So in the grind position, there is no darkening of the screen. You just see what you see. And then you can have two different scales, an inner scale and an outer scale. The inner scale is 5 to 9. I believe that's for cut, like if you're using a plasma torch or something. And then it goes from 9 to 13. Yeah, 9 to 13 on the outer scale. That's adjustable by a switch on the inside in the upper right-hand corner of the screen there, depending on where you put that switch. So if you have it on the 5 to 9, you're using the 5 to 9 scale on the dial, and then 9 to 13, the outer scale on the same dial. It has the delay control inside as well as sensitivity. And then it's got the brackets in order to put in a cheater lens, which I really appreciate because I like to use cheater lenses in my welding hoods. It has replaceable battery, and I believe there are 2 batteries in this welding hood. Fully adjustable head strap. You can adjust it forward and backward to put the screen farther or closer to your face using these green buttons inside the adjusting knobs. And then some green adjusters up here on the top. Those adjust how far the hood comes down. If you pop it down, how far it will come down. So you can adjust that. It's got a pretty decent little sweatband up here on the front. And the true color, so far I've used it a little bit for some MIG welding, testing out some of their MIG wire. And so far it's working just fine. I can see out of it real clear. I love the true color portion of it. It's like the control unit has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too bad and it's comfortable on my head. Let me show you a few arc shots here, MIG welding through this particular hood, and you're seeing exactly what I see when I'm actually doing the welds. It'll give you a fairly accurate depiction of what it would be like to look through this welding hood when you're running some welds. As far as the wire, I guess at this point in time, they're only selling the wire in the 1 or 2 pound spools, but I did notice when I opened this package of the 2 pound, it actually comes with an extra tip. This is 030 size ER70 S6 wire. I'll show you a couple of examples of welds that I made with this wire. Those of you who have a welder that can only take 1 or 2 pound spools, this is perfect for your machine. so far I've been happy with the wire. I think the prices are reasonable. The welding hood and the gloves, decent products built for people like myself, hobbyist welders. I'm always looking for the affordable items that I could use for my welding projects. I don't weld as a professional for a living or anything. I just home projects and that sort of thing. And if I can afford it and it works, then I'm happy with it. Hopefully in the future they can send me some more of their products. We'll give them a shot. And if I like them, I'll make a video of it so I can show it to you guys and share it with you. And it's just another option that's available out there for us hobbyist welders. Thought you guys might enjoy that. Thanks for joining along on the video. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.